Hello everyone, welcome to our next topic. In this topic, we'll see how to do entry for receive payment from customer in Tally Prime. So we have already done the sales orders and sales against the sales order. In this video, we'll see how to do the payment receive order against the sales. So let's move into the Tally and see the how to do the entry. So in Tally, we have to go to the voucher. In voucher, you have to click F6. In F6, just enter the date. We have received the payment on 1st, 5th, 1st May, 2nd May in our bank, in ICC Bank, against Nikita at 68,000 and you can write the bank check number. Again, we have next entry for the payment received from Shanti Udyog. So ICC Bank, Shanti Udyog, 2,40,000 against reference, then save. Now our sales entry is done. So where we can see the sales entry? In display account, in receipt register. As you can see your sales entry. Or in cash book, you can see it is only cash in hand. In bank account, and in balance sheet, we can see the profit and loss. What amount is still we have not entered. Okay. In balance sheet, you can see the balance. In profit and loss account, purchase account, what amount, how much purchase you have made, how much sales you have made. Okay. So I hope you have understand how to do the sales payment received against the sales. If you have any question or any doubt, you can directly contact us at the contact is in this number or email us info@skillanything.com. Thank you so much.